Alright, we're making a recording of the sewer line here at 3336 59th Avenue Southwest. Date is February 3rd, 2021. Making this recording from the toilet flange down here in the basement of the home. What you're looking at there is a lip in the pipe about 100 feet down the line. On the left side of the pipe up there, you can see there's a tie-in coming into this line. According to the map, that should be the neighboring home 3340. And then possibly another house back up behind that. So this is a shared line according to the map, and that shared section is there at that next joint. I'm going to come back from this point. We're in 6-inch diameter clay pipe right now. We're going to come back from this point and get a look at this line. So 6-inch diameter pipe coming back here. Very large root system there in the line down there. So I'm trying to wash that screen off just to get a look at that root. But large root there. I'm going to run a little water, keep us running so we can keep the screen clean. Got some water running. We'll wait till that gets down to the system to wash this screen off. Alright, getting a pretty good look here. There we go. Clear screen. Okay, so we're still coming back here. Large root there. That's at a turn. So the line is turning. This is probably somewhere down by the sidewalk. The line's taking a turn, and you got large roots there at that turn. That may also be our 4-inch to 6-inch transition, or actually, this is looking like our 4-inch to 6-inch transition right here where this PVC ends. So just after the end of this PVC stretch, the line turns and then starts heading out towards the main. You keep coming back through this PVC here. On the left side of the pipe, there's another tie-in there that appears to be, according to the map, we've got some run of pipe downspouts and maybe another set of fixtures in the home that tie into the pipe there on the left side. We're now in 4-inch diameter clay here. Top of the screen there, you see another tie-in. Not entirely sure what that one is. It's not indicated on the map by anything obvious, so we're going to keep coming back through here. We'll go do some locating here after I finish the video to find out what some of these things are. Large root there. See, it's holding up the water, draining through. Roots there. then back into PVC here, and back into clay there, and back into cast iron here. So it goes cast iron to clay right around this turn here, and then into PVC, and then back into the house. I'm going to end the video there because we have seen enough, and that turn's kind of a pain to get around. Now we'll come back all the way. What the heck? Cast iron there, and then up out of the toilet. That's the flange I'm making this recording. I'm going to end the recording there.